Hi everyone, I'm Praful from the team Conqueror. So the theme of my problem is mystery, and the problem number is 6, which is job portal for Sherlock Holmes, in which I need to create a job portal through which Sherlock Holmes can hire the best detectives for their murder mystery. So let's see what I have made. So I built a job portal for Sherlock Holmes to find the best detectives from all over the world to solve murder mysteries. And here a person can sign up and log in to check for current job opportunities in the department. And there is also a job page where current opportunities are listed, and anyone can easily apply just with a single click and according to their relevant skills. So Sherlock Holmes can also find the best person by looking to their profile, and also can choose the best person for the respective post by their application. So this whole project is built on Django framework of Python, and there is a admin panel also where Sherlock can manage all the applicants. So let's see the workflow for this project. So there is a job portal for Sherlock Holmes, and here admin Sherlock can log in with their own credentials, and they can add new jobs, and they can select candidates. They can add new qualifications for the jobs, and they have all the rights over the users. They has full access over all the users. And if you are not admin, if you are a normal user and you want to apply to the jobs, then you need to sign up and log in, and then you have 3 pages: home page, which contains all the navigation links, and then you have profile page, then you have jobs page. So when you open the profile page, you can edit all the details about the person. Means you can add or change or edit all the details about yourself, about your profile. You can edit everything, and you can also, apart from this, you can also see the application status. So in how many jobs you have applied, and what's their status. Now apart from this, you have also jobs page, in which list of current active jobs are shown, and you can easily apply to any job in just one click. So seller can decide the perfect match with their resume, and as then you need to update their resume to get selected. And if at any stage, if a user logouts, then he will return to the same page where needs to log in or sign up. So this is the workflow for the project. So let's see now the tech stack that I have used is the Django framework, HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS, Django template language for putting the Python code into HTML, and then the database is SQLite 3. And I have used Unsplash API for rendering some images. So now let's see the live demo for this website. So this is the home page where Sherlock is looking for detectives, and these are some basic skills that you must have before applying to any job in this department. So you should have some good communication skills, some interpersonal skills. These are listed here. And now to see the current openings, current active jobs, you can click here or either here. So this will also show you the list of jobs that are currently active, and these are the last dates. You can easily see this is February 28 to 2023, and this is February 2021. This is the last date for applying to this job, and these are the skills which are required to apply to these jobs. And for applying, we can go to login here. We need to log in. So like you have to enter your ID password by which you can create by just signing up. So I'm logging with my credentials. After logging in, you can see your profiles page where this is your profile, and you can easily edit your profile to make changes here in your data, like in your qualifications, in your DP, where I'm showing you. I have not totally created this page, but you can change it. Like I have added changed my name here, so it will reflect directly here that I have changed my name. So this is my profile page, and to apply to any job, just go to jobs page and click to this apply now. So you have just successfully applied to this position, criminal investigator. Now if you see your profile and just see application status, so you can see here the criminal investigator is the job in which you have applied, you had applied, and I had also applied to some few more jobs, so it is showing here. So this is how you can easily apply to any job. This is your profile page where you can see what jobs you have applied, and you can edit your profile. And this is the home page, and this is the jobs page. So this is for the client side, and anyone can easily apply from here. The UI is very smooth, which I have created using Tailwind CSS. So now let's see the admin panel through which Sherlock can hire the best suited candidates. So this is the home page, and this is the admin section in the navigation bar, and you can click here to go to the admin panel, and you will enter the credentials of the Sherlock Holmes to add new jobs. So I'm showing you, just click here, and I will also tell you later that how you can create credentials for the admin, that is Sherlock. So I'm just adding the credentials to login. If you just log in here, you can see the database, that is models of the database. And if you want to add a new job, just click here to the jobs and click here add jobs, and it is so easy to add any job. Just like I'm adding a new job of personal assistant. If you want to add the qualification list, if you you can choose the qualification from here, and if you don't see your option, you can add a new qualification of by tapping to that button. But currently I am just selecting this intermediate. And the skills, you can also select what skills needed to apply to this job. So I'm just adding awareness and adaptability, and you have to add the last date by which a user can apply to this job. So just select any date, the random date, and if you just click save here, now this job is saved and it will be shown on the website if anyone wants to apply to this job. So this is how you can add jobs, and you can also manage the users that applied. Like these are the users which have logged into the site, and you can also see their jobs in which they have applied. They have applied to these jobs: assistant, detective, driver, chairperson, like these. And they have their resume. You can click here to see their resume. And if you found them useful, if you think that they are the perfect match for that position, you can just simply contact them, or hire them. So this is how you can manage the users, and it is very easy to manage all the users through this admin panel. Now let's go back to the our app, and let's see what are the other things that we. Now let's move forward and see the architecture of the code, that how this application is made. So this is built on Django framework of Python, and this is the project directory Sherlock Holmes, and there is settings files in which I have configured all the settings, and this is the Holmes app, where I defined all my models of the database, like jobs, users, and skills, degree. These are the models that we need to define to create any job. And user, we have also added the authentication system provided by Django, and you can see that in views.py. And these are the views which handle the different requests and send the response according to that request. So I've created this using Django, and it is pretty much easy to use Django to build these kind of applications. And now I'm going to show you my templates files, which are HTML, in which I have used Tailwind CSS. Now let's see how this solution is best fit for the problem statement. So through this portal, anyone can register for Sherlock's department by filling his basic details. And the application process is very much easy, and you just have to log in and go to the jobs page from navigation bar and apply for the jobs. Easy applications will result in huge number of applicants, and if there are more applicants, there will be a healthy competition, and Sherlock can find the best members for their department. So it satisfies almost all the requirements for the problem statement with a very easy to use, smooth UI and UX design. And Django made it easy to handle all the applicants through admin panel, which is already provided by Django. So from which Sherlock can use to find the most appropriate candidate for the post. Now let's see the some unique features of the app. So the applications are very easy. You can easily apply. There is a page in which you can which lists all the current opportunities, and there is a skill-based selection of the candidate, easy management of the applications, and user can also manage their profiles very easily. Now these are some future scopes that we can add to this portal to make it more convenient to use. So we can do a skill-based job listing. We can sort. So that's all from my side, and thanks for giving me the opportunity to present my solution to the